So we are on the Power App interface. Let me walk you through what all you have on this screen. Okay, so on your right hand side on the top, you have environments. So this is something your admin can do. They can create different environments. This is basically different projects you can say that you can be working on, and you want to keep everything at one place. So this is kind of environment. So let's say I'm working on 5 projects. Every project has different tables, different flows, and different applications. I want to keep everything at one place and do not want to get them mixed up. Then I would create a environment, but that admin can do. If you are given access to the admin to that environment, you can click on that environment and you would be getting all the resources there at one place. Now, on your left hand side, you have this menu bar. This is home. And as you can see, you can start creating your app either with a design, or you can start with data, or you can start with a plan. Plan is basically where we will start with a business plan, which Copilot would help you to create that plan. Or if you already have a design in mind, and or you want to get some design, use some already available design, or you want to start from scratch, you can do that. And this is data where we have certain data in SharePoint or SQL or Excel, and we want to start from there. So we can start from data. And in the bottom here, you would have the learning resources. In fact, you have many learning resources on the Learn tab as well. And if you would have created any application, or you have created any plan or solution, that would be appearing here. To create an app, obviously we go to create. To learn more, we go to learn. To create a plan, if we have one, you will find here. If you're not, you don't have any, you can use Copilot to create a plan. We'll come there. I'm just holding it for now so that we can go later on with the modules. And then here are the applications. If you have created any, it would be here. If not, you can start creating your application. You can monitor, you can see all the application, you can create a new application as well. So you can see here, there used to be one more button here, start with a template, which is gone. Uh, I think just 2 days back, at least I noticed 2 days back. But I still see here, start with an app template. You can start with a design, you can start with a data, or you can start with a plan. So all these 4 options are still available. Then to connect the data, we can go to the table. Again, you can start with a blank table. You can create a CSV file, or you can start with a SharePoint, or you can generate the table and relation based on the prompt in using the Copilot. Typically, when we create a plan using the Copilot, this also we do there. Flow is about automate. So I have application and I want to add some conditions and I want to connect them, create a workflow. That's where we go to the flow. So solution here is like a container that keeps all the related apps, flows, table, and automation together in one business package. So this basically help organization to maintain and manage and deploy the application professionally. Now you would think this sounds like much similar to environment. So environment is like a separate uh, workspace, right? So in one workspace, you might have different solutions, multiple solutions, which would need different projects. So think about this. There is multiple bank branches, right? In one branch, you have different projects going on. right? So think like that. So when I say environment, this is a completely different branch, which would have a different set of this is that would be like a different workspace where you have everything completely separate. Here, they all are part of the same workspace, and they can be connected together and they can be working together as a different solution for the project. So if I have to clarify it further, I can think of environment that is like a isolated workspace. Solution is like a organizing the related component, right? So in an environment, you have apps, table, flows, users, everything separated. They have a separate security boundary. They have a separate data storage, right? They can be used for dev, test, and production. Like we want to create a separate environment for all of them. Solution basically we keep for the application packaging. So these all components can be related. There could be different business components, and we want to keep them different, separate. So that is what the solution is. Now here you will find more that we can come to later. This is your Power Platform, the complete package where you have Power, you have Copilot, and everything at one place. So that's it for kind of a walkthrough. Next, we will start with the lab one.